next one up is Youghal Harbour. Pretty cool. It's got a cool kind of like ending. Which is, you know, kind of throw you off. It's a little interesting. I don't know if I'd ever do this one to 76 either. This one isn't danced too often. Can't say I'm ever too excited when I hear a dancer going out, do a Youghal Harbour.
I like the set part best. This is the best part of the song. The rest of it was kind of boring. I like it. I don't know if I think I do like it better than Rodney's Glory.
A little better than Rodney's Glory. Okay. I like that it is unique with that kind of ending. I think it's a hard one to like, if you don't know the set very well, it does have some of those like, you think it's over, but then it keeps going.
Yeah, like you need to know the music.
It's pretty good. And I've never created a Youghal Harbour. Maybe I need to give it more of a chance.
I do. I mean, I like it better than Rodney's. I don't know if I'd put it in A. I'd put it in B above Rodney.
Yeah.
Or do we move Rodney to C? Yeah, I say C for Rodney.
All right. Nice.